Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Chaudhari. Today I am going to show you how to run a bottle cap with a ball pen ink. So for this I need a flat plate, a bottle cap and a ink. So first I have to put this ink on the bottle corner just like this. And then we have to put this in the water lightly and gently. Look, it runs automatically with the ball pen ink without any motor, engine or fan because the pen's ink applied on the bottle cap changes the surface tension of bottle water behind it propelling the cap. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.